It's been a while since I've worked on Smokey, so roll intro. All right, guys. I as you can see, I have had a wardrobe change from the intro where I kind of laid out like an idiot and cut with scissors. But yeah, this is the beginning of putting the car back together. Now you're gonna wonder why I'm in my office. Woo! I got a new tripod too. I'll show you the new tripod. One of those Gorilla Pods, really cool thing. But anyway, I'm having trouble talking today. This is the beginning of putting Smokey back together. I'm going to go out here. I'm going to go ahead and I've got the plastic wrap off the block. I'm going to pull the valve covers, get the rockers, push rods off, and go ahead and pull the heads. I think I've got to disconnect the headers as well. But I'm going to go ahead and get that stuff off, take a look at the piston tops and all that. But right now I've got my neighbor mowing the yard, so it's going to be tripod and a little bit of time-lapsing until I have a low enough ambient volume outside to be able to talk to you guys. So check it out. Let's get started with some time lapses. Alright everybody, well, I've got the rockers, the push rods, the headers off. These headers wrap around the steering shaft, so I haven't pulled them the rest of the way out. But I've got everything off the heads. I just have to take off these bolts here. So I'm going to break those loose real quick, and we're going to see what the tops of these cylinders and the tops of these pistons and the cylinder walls look like. So let's get her done. Alright guys, I probably didn't film as much as you might have liked, but I did. Oh, my shadow's all in the way. Anyway, that is the driver's side cylinder head off. I've got to clean up the mating surface for the cylinder head to the block, which you can see the pistons in there and the really clean cylinder walls. So I guess the guy didn't lie to me about the engine being relatively fresh. I'm gonna try to light myself real quick. So let's see what this looks like. Oh geez, I am washed out. Give me just a second. Let me scoot over a little bit. There we go. Anyway, sorry. That's where I'm gonna stop tonight. I'm gonna button this thing up where it'll stay fresh for a day or so, because I've got to do some traveling and work tomorrow and things like that. So I'm not gonna be able to just throw the new cylinder heads on there. I'm obviously, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that sunset or not, but I'm out of daylight, so I'm going to button this thing up and head in for the night. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Like, comment, subscribe. This is part one of many parts of actually the reassembly of Smokey, where it's getting new cylinder heads, new intake manifold, put back together, retuned, everything that it should have had and should have been when I got in the car, it will be when I'm done. Thank you guys as always, and I'll repeat again, like, comment, subscribe. I'm excited about the growth. The channel's over 300 and steady growing, and that's because of you guys. So thank you. I appreciate you following along and sharing and all of that good stuff. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. I hope your weekend's awesome. Have a great one. Peace.